How to do slow-mo video on Vita app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to make or how to do slow-mo video on Vita application. You can see here this is the Vita application. So to make slow motion videos, what you have to do, just watch the video and also please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, you can see here I'm inside the Vita application. So what you need to do here, if you have already clicked a picture, you have clicked a video, then what you need to just simply click on the plus icon and then you have to select your video. So let me just select one of my video here. So I'm selecting one video. It will take a few seconds to load in, and let's wait and watch how we can make a slow-mo video. So here you can see it's a video here. So to make a slow-mo on this video, what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. What you need to do, you have to simply click on this edit option you can see here. So just simply click on this edit option, and then here you will find an option, speed option. Here you can see here this is the one, so just simply click on speed option. So after clicking to this speed option, what you need to do here, to make a slow-mo, you have to just drag on the blue icon. You can see blue circle. You have to just drag on the blue circle on the left side of your screen, and I have given on 0.5x. so let us just play and check it out whether it is working or not. So you can see here it's on a slow-mo. You can see here. So guys, let's check here. It was normal, so it was fast. So guys, you can see here video is slow-mo. So if you wanna go for fast forward first video, you can see here this is the first, and then let me just go back and let me just go back here and click on right. So now if you wanna split the video, like if you wanna go for some part slow-mo and some part as speed mode, then what you have to do, you have to select the part here. Example, let me take this part here, slow-mo. Then after selecting the part, you need to click on this split option. So let me just click on the split option and then click on speed option, and then you have to just drag on and click on right option. So now you can see here, I will show you, it's on the process, and you can see this is the slow-mo. So in this way you can just click on this right option, and you can see here it's very pretty cool. So I hope these things will help you out, and you can save the video, and also you can add the music. And thanks for watching, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.